What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Martin because Max is away on holiday and he will regret that because I have such an amazing car today. This is an Audi S5, not just any S5, it's a V8, not just any V8, it's not the S5's V8, it's the RS6 V8. So that's a 4-liter twin turbo V8. This thing, guys, this is a mini Bugatti, and I'll explain why I feel like that in a minute. First, let's just do a lap around the car. So the exterior of the car, it's a bit zero fucks given. It's a Swedish car. Thanks so much to the owner for coming all the way here. Oh man, it's been such a journey for him. And he purchased the car from a guy in Sweden who dailied it for a very long time, and you can definitely tell it's been pretty damaged, and we have a lot of bugs and stuff because he just drove an insane amount just to do this video. I'm so thankful for him doing that. Yeah, let's just do a lap. So everything is a bit gritty, which I do really like, because you expect this to be some Audi S5 that originated with 340 horsepower, maybe 300 from the looks of it, because everything, just have a look at the caliper, it's a bit gone, it's a bit zero fucks given. What I do really like is, or are, these wheels, really nice, and this Continental Sport Contact 7 rubber, really good tire, one of the best out there nowadays. And one of the best exterior features, I think, from Audi ever are these silver mirror caps that they made on the Audi S and RS models back in the day. Really classic design from an Audi S5 coupe. Beautiful car, I think. It's so simplistic in a good way. It's not busy, it's not flashing its light or anything like modern Audis. We got a Remus exhaust, we have decat downpipes, then a sort of custom mid pipe, and then a Remus back box that's for an Audi S5, of course. So those got connected with a few mods. And let's have a look at what is underneath, because that's why you guys are watching, I think. Here we have the 4-liter V8 bi-turbo with a stage 1 tune. Also, the transmission is from the Audi R6. One of the best engines ever made, I think. 700 horsepower now, 900 Newton meters. 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds. Remember that Bugatti reference I made earlier? This thing, this is a weapon. It is scorching hot out today. It's 30+ degrees, so we won't get the performance it's capable of, but what an amazing car. I just love the fact that it looks like it does. It's completely stock except for the wheels. I mean, you would have expected like a VAT badge on the side right there, but not even that. So the interior, beautiful bucket seats. Really like this gen of Audi interiors. Beautiful dials. Analog dials with a little digital part in the middle. I just love this. I love this car, guys. I love this generation of cars. And I love me some hot hatches, some performance cars, some supercars and hypercars, but I adore an engine swap. Woohoo! What a lovely sound. Sorry if I'm sounding childish or anything. It's just, this really brings up the little boy in me. So let's go for a drive. So let's just stick it into sport mode. So little disclaimer, the owner hit a pothole in the right front, maybe bending, small little bend in a control arm, so the alignment is not perfect. So we have to keep that in mind when we hit the Autobahn. So very capable machine this, let me show you guys. Doesn't have the stupid pops and bangs tune, it's so linear, it's so classic, really love it. Okay, let's do a little brake boost and then let's see what 2.8 seconds to 100 looks like in an Audi S5. Poor man's Bugatti Veyron. That gearbox is so fast. Of course, the Veyron and the Chiron have a dual clutch, but this unit from the Audi R6 is just as capable. I mean, the way it shifts from first to second and second to third, fantastic, really. That's 700 horsepower, but 900 newton meters just everywhere is absolutely insane. And the fact that I'm driving a two-door coupe made to be a GT, a Grand Tour, I mean, this really is a Bugatti's baby brother. So of course we also have a quattro system, so you know you're not going to do any big drifts with it. But as I said, it's a big GT. You don't do drifting with a Bugatti. You just floor it and enjoy the ease at width. It just takes up speed and road and oh. And of course, to show you guys, I need the Autobahn, so let's go over there. I am so impressed with this, really. Oh, the fact that this has been someone's winter hobby, creating this car, just a single person. Making their own engine mounts, by the way. Oh, Jesus! Outside, so it's super hot, and the biggest flaw of this drivetrain is its intercooler. So these 4-liter V8 biturbos have a very small water to air intercooler, and especially with high temperatures and lots of Autobahn driving, the intake temperature rises and the performance drops like that. So not a great combo, but I managed to do a 6.6 100 to 200. The owner in normal conditions a 6.1. What the hell? I love this car. It's one of my favorite cars of the year. And I do really hope that you guys enjoyed this. The owner is going to modify it even further, do a single turbo kit. I mean, please come back with that. That is just awesome. Come on guys, go encourage him to come back when the single turbo is on here. This thing, what a weapon. Thank you so much for coming here and letting me drive and test it. Bye guys.